Hello everybody, welcome to the Sindhukaram National Model School. I am Varsha Shete. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the chapter Some Natural Phenomena, the chapter number 15 for class 8, the science. In this chapter especially, we are going to focus on the lightning. My dear student, we know that the lightning causes so many harmful effects on the living organism as well as on the property. Due to the electricity, or we can say that due to the lightning, so many living organisms, they lost their life. So in the today's session, we are going to discuss about the lightning. Again, we know that previously in the 7th class, we studied that due to the lightning also, the atmospheric nitrogen fixation is taking place. So we can say that the lightning is somewhat useful also, and most of the time it is harmful. So what is the lightning? The lightning is nothing but the discharge of electricity. Firstly, in the 1752, the Benjamin Franklin, he did one experiment, and that is nothing but the kite and key experiment. And with the help of that experiment, he proved that the lightning is nothing but the discharge of electricity. So my dear student, the lightning is taking place, that is nothing but actually the flow of charge is taking place. And more interesting thing is that the lightning possesses near about 27,000 degrees Celsius to 30,000 degrees Celsius temperature. Now we were going to see that how the lightning occurs. Whenever the strong winds flow from one place to the another place, due to that force, the friction between the clouds is taking place. And due to the friction, obviously we know that both the objects become charged. Both the objects carries equal and opposite charge. In this picture, I am showing you that how the positively charged and negative charge is present on the clouds. As we know that the negative charges, they are lighter in a weight and they will take the lower part of the cloud, and the positive charge will collect at the upper side of the cloud. Now, when the distance between the cloud and whatever the object present on the earth, it is less. If the distance is less, like the example of the tall building or the mountain. So whenever the clouds they are flowing, such a charged cloud they are flowing, and the distance between these two is very less. So in such a situation, air acts as a good conductor. That means actually the property of air is it is a poor conductor of the electricity. The charge cannot flow through the electricity. But when a situation is like that, a large number of accumulation of the charges is taking place inside the cloud, and the distance between the two objects is less. In that situation, air is acting as a good conductor of electricity. Now look at this, how the charges are produced on these surfaces. So through the induction phenomena. Obviously, whatever the distance between the cloud and this object is less, so due to these negatively charged clouds, this mountain become the positively charged. And as we know that there is always attraction between the oppositely charged ions. Here I am showing you that how the lightning is produced in between the clouds also. As I told you that due to the friction, both the objects acquire equal and opposite charges. Look at this. These are the negative charge cloud and these are also the negative charge cloud. Again, there is a upside positive charges. So no doubt, again, there is attraction between oppositely charges ion, and due to this attraction, the flow of negatively charge taking place, that is nothing but the electricity is produced or the lightning is produced. Okay, so we can say that the lightning is occur in between the clouds as well as in between the cloud and the earth. So this is nothing but how the lightning is occur. So my dear student, here I would like to tell you that how we are getting the sound during after the lightning. As we know that the speed of the light is greater than the speed of the sound, and that's why we are able to see the lightning first and then we are getting the thunder, or we are able to listen the sound of the lightning. During the lightning, due to the higher temperature, the new temperature is near about the 30,000 degrees Celsius, and this much due to high temperature, the expansion of the gases is taking place. And due to this sudden expansion of the gases, the sound is produced, and this sound is coming up to us through the holes, and automatically after the lightning, these holes collapses. So this is nothing but the lightning and how the lightning occurs. In the next session, we are going to discuss about how the earthquake occurs. Thank you so much, all of you.